Okay, this time around, we have a significant change in the overall feel of the scene. I was able to get a color banding, as you can see the kind of differences between the bright light that's near the wall here, and as it kind of extends outwards, there are big old bands of color emulating the older graphics. I did some work on the main hall. It's still a lot of it's still not final, of course, but to kind of give a little bit of improvement to the overall design, as well as increasing the scale. Each of these areas, if we go over to them, have increased in their overall footprint quite substantially. So this about marks where the original ended, and so this will give the player a lot more space to fight the monsters, including and I'll get it resituated, reconnected, but the big old library, which will have a lot of dangerous effects, so it's being a slightly larger area. Oh. And I'll have to figure that out. That area that just showed up. Additionally, here's the throne room. This entire idea might change from a castle to a chapel, but retain a similar idea. Have a bunch of kind of cursed vibes that go along with the area, but still giving a location for the kind of gothic and kind of a lot of more European monsters. Once I get the lighting baked for these pillars, they'll be a little less silly, I believe, with the light popping in, or at least make it so there aren't any LODs for it. We've got a nice bright carpet here, partially to show that not everything will be, really dark, and there'll be plenty of bright colors and bright spaces. This is probably the darkest of the maps the locales for the game, since it takes place at midnight. I went ahead and created a different system using post-processing to create the pixelization effect that is also here, since these are much higher resolution textures, but we can get the nice kind of similarly the color banding, but nice lower resolution that we're looking for, and one of the default procedural night skies works well with this, better than the skyboxes that I was trying to make, so we'll go with that. We've also got the heart blossom, or heart flower. The model is set up, but now I have to figure out how to get it rigged up, because I want it to be slightly animated, because it's a flower that's got quite a bit of energy, so to speak, magically, alchemically. Alright,